transformations, scaling, reflection, shearing, and rotation. Now we discuss several special cases of the transformation matrix. First, identity transformation. If A equals to D equals to 1 and B equals to C equals to 0, then the transformation matrix is T equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. So applying T on point P, we get X on T equals to coordinates of point P are X and Y. X, Y, 1, 0, 0, 1 is the transformation matrix. Now multiplication X into 1 plus Y into 0, that is X, and X into 0 plus Y into 1, that is Y. So we get XY, which is X star and Y star, that is coordinates of point P star. So we observe that there is no change in the coordinates of P and coordinates of P star. So this is the identity transformation. Now scaling. If D equals to 1 and B equals to C equals to 0, A greater than 0, then the transformation matrix is T equals to A 0 0 1. Now consider transformation of this point on the T. So apply this T on the point. So this is the point XY and transformation matrix is A 0 0 1. Now take the multiplication of these two matrices, we get X and Y, that is X star and Y star. Now we observe that X star equals to X and Y star equals to Y. So there is no change in the Y coordinate. Y coordinate remains same. But X coordinate is scaled by factor A, that is AX. This effect is known as scaling in X coordinate by factor A. We show this effect in the following figure. So this is x-axis, that is X and X star point, and on y-axis Y and Y star. So this is the point P with xy coordinates. So transformation point P star. So there is no change in y coordinates. So here if we take this point, it's P star, that is transformation. This is the transformation from P to P star. There is no change in y coordinate and x coordinate is scaled by factor A. So this is scaling in x coordinate by factor A. Similarly, if A equals to 1, D greater than 0 and B equals to C equals to 0, then transformation matrix T equals to 1 0 0 D. This gives y coordinate by factor D. So scaling in y coordinate by factor D, similarly as above. Further, if B equals to C equals to 0 and AD greater than 0. Then transformation matrix T equals to A0 A0 0 D. So in this case x t equals to x y a0 0 d equals to ax dy, which is equals to x star y star. So x coordinate and y coordinate both are scaled by factor a and d respectively. So we get scaling of both x and y coordinate by factor a and d respectively. So this effect is shown in figure as, so this is point P to P star. So changing both x and y axis. So this is scaling of both x and y coordinates by factor a and d respectively. Remark: if the scaling factors are same in both the directions, that is if a equals to d and b equals to c equals to 0, then the transformation is known as uniform scaling. And if a equals to d, which is greater than 1, then the scaling of coordinates of P occurs. And if 0 less than a equals to d less than 1, then the compression of the coordinates of P occurs.